They said HD lace and they meant exactly that. The company that we're working with today is Tinashe Hair, and guys, just look at how gorgeous this packaging actually is. Inside the packaging, they were kind enough to include a wig cap, some eyelashes, an elastic band, some hair clips, an edge brush, a comb, a bonnet, and the hair that we received is a 12-inch HD lace, 180% density. Thank you so much to Tinashe Hair for sponsoring today's video. If you are interested in this unit, the order links will be in the description. Now guys, just look at that hair, okay? Oh my gosh, you need it. And when they said HD, they were not playing, okay? They came through for the girl. Like, they honestly just came through for the girl. The lace is so perfect, melt in so easily. I honestly should have done a bald cap method because you could still see my lace through it, but you know, I finished it towards the end. That's all that is important. And yo guys, when I went into define my middle part, I know you see that part, like I know you see that when I went in to define my parting, you guys, I actually overplugged, you know, like yo, it was too much, but I finessed it towards the end. Like I said, like towards the end, everything just came together because wow, I had to. For this wig, I had to. Trust me, this lace was just to work with. Yeah, I hope that you guys subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and please guys, just thumbs up this video and leave a nice little comment, okay, if it helped you out, and I will catch you guys towards the end.
So many times that I miss you. I know how to call when I want to. Now you got way bigger issues. You're running around like you single. Slow down, only you the ginger the whole town. Slow it sometime. Go out, mountain for your back, make it run wild. Slow it sometime. Time to slow down. So many things we could have been. You left me so cold. You know that I need you. Now I feel so cold. I gotta get even. Still I want you close. Sometimes I need you. I never forget you. But I won't call you anyway. Nobody wins cause you won't call me anyway. I won't call you anyway. Nobody wins cause you won't call me anyway. Options to stress you. You think say you be my controller. nothing without you. Slow down, now you way to make me to run wild. Slow it sometime, no lie. Plenty women make me to run wild. Slow it sometime. I need to slow down, yeah. So many things we could have been. Nobody wins, cause you won't call me anyway. I won't call you anyway. Nobody wins, cause you won't call me anyway.
And that is it for today's video. Thank you so much once again to Tinashe Hair for sponsoring today's video. I will catch you guys next time. Bye, my loves.